say this is the land of the free, but all I see is chains on me. Working hard every single day, but the system's rigged to take it all away. Breaking my back just to make ends meet, while the rich keep climbing, we're stuck in defeat. They give handouts to those who don't pay, but for the working man it's hell every day. This broken system, it's tearing us apart. The American dream's just a broken heart. If you're rich, you rise. If you're poor, you fall. In this land of the free, we're not free at all. They open the doors for those who don't belong, while we're fighting just to stay strong. Illegal hands taking what's ours, while we're grinding through endless hours. The harder we work, the less we see. In this broken system, there's no liberty. They tax us to death, but what do we get? A life in debt and a world of regret. This broken system, it's tearing us apart. The American dream's just a broken heart. If you're rich, you rise. If you're poor, you fall. In this land of the free, we're not free at all. We've had enough of the lies and deceit. It's time to rise up, time to take the seat. For every man who struggled and bled, we'll fight this fight until the end. This broken system is tearing us apart. The American dream's just a broken heart. If you're rich, you rise. If you're poor, you fall. In this land of the free, we're not free at all. We'll stand together, we'll make a stand for the working class in this broken land. We'll tear down the walls, we'll fight the fight. For the future of our kids, we'll make it right.